Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 12. Present tense. Let's learn English. Present tense.
Is a tense that expresses an action that is currently happening or habitually performed.
We add s to the verb for singular subject.
Mom cooks.
Betty and Martin cook.
Betty dances.
Martin and Matthew dance.
Betty exercises every morning.
Bert barks at the visitors every night. Matthew and Martin play basketball every afternoon.
Bert and Betty eat every day.
Martin makes his bed every day.
Betty and Martin like to cook every day.
Betty answers her workbook every morning.
Matthew and Martin answer their workbook every morning. Bert goes to school every morning.
Matthew, Martin, and Betty go to school every day.
Matthew greets his classmates every day.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Matthew.
Bert and Betty greet their classmates every morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Bert and Betty.
and Betty.
Matthew packs away his school material every afternoon. Martin and Bert pack away their school materials every afternoon. Practice speaking English. Say it. Repeat it.
My sister writes her grocery list.
They eat steak in the restaurant.
We go to school every day.
Monica reads her favorite book.
Gino plays a game on the computer. Present tense.
Is a tense that expresses an action that is currently happening or habitually performed. We add s to the verb for singular subject.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
choose the correct answer.
Number 1. Miguel. His room every Sunday at 3 o'clock. A. Tidy. B. Tidies. Number 1. Miguel tidies his room every Sunday at 3 o'clock.
Number 2. We. To the radio every other day. A. Listen. B. Listens. Number 2. We listen to the radio every other day.
Number 3. Bella usually. Her favorite musical show in the evening. A. Watch. B. Watches. Number 3. Bella usually watches her favorite musical show in the evening.
Number 4. The boys often. With their toy cars. A. Play. B. Plays. Number 4. The boys often play with their toy cars.
Number 5. I. In the sea every Saturday afternoon. A. Swim. B. Swims. Number 5. I swim in the sea every Saturday afternoon.
Number 6. They. Their homework every Friday. A. Do. B. Does. Number 6. They do their homework every Friday.
Number 7. I. To eat green vegetables.
A. Likes. B. Like.
Number 7. I like to eat green vegetables. Number 8. Janine. To the park every Sunday. A. Goes. B. Go. Number 8. Janine goes to the park every Sunday.
Number 9. Jack. Basketball well. A. Play. B. Plays. Number 9. Jack plays basketball well.
Number 10. They. Spanish fluently. A. Speaks. B. Speak. Number 10. They. Spanish fluently.
Quiz number 2. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
fill in the blanks with correct present tense form of the verb given in the brackets.
Number 1. The sports car. At 3:30 p.m.
Number 2. I will call you when she back.
Number 3. The next school term. On Wednesday.
Number 4. He. A psychiatrist.
Number 5. When the plane depart.
Number 6. Let's wait until she. Her yoga exercise.
Number 7. Annika. The lunchbox.
Number 8. Karen. To eat yellow fruits.
Number 9. My sister. Chinese well.
Number 10. Marie. Computer games every day.
Number 11. John. To work every day.
Number 12. Carlo. In California.
Number 13. The cat. Under the tree.
Number 14. Janine. In the lessons.
Number 15. James. Computers.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. The sports car arrives at 3:30 p.m.
Number 2. I will call you when she comes back.
Number 3. The next school term begins on Wednesday.
Number 4. He is a psychiatrist.
Number 5. When does the plane depart? Number 6. Let's wait until she finishes her yoga exercise.
Number 7. Annika forgets the lunchbox.
Number 8. Karen likes to eat yellow fruits.
Number 9. My sister speaks Chinese well.
Number 10. Marie plays computer games every day. Number 11. John goes to work every day.
Number 12. Carlo lives in California.
Number 13. The cat sits under the tree.
Number 14. Janine dreams in the lessons.
Number 15. James repairs computers.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.